Ever seen this screen? This is the BitLocker recovery prompt, and for many people, this is where panic begins. Your PC won't boot, your files are locked. And here's the scary part. You didn't turn this on. Microsoft did, silently. BitLocker is designed to protect your data if your laptop is lost or stolen. But on Windows 11, especially the Home Edition, it can turn into a data time bomb if you don't manage it properly. In this video, I'll explain why BitLocker activates without warning, what actually triggers the recovery screen, the hidden risks most people never hear about, and what you must do right now to avoid losing your files forever. BitLocker encrypts your entire drive using your device's TPM security chip. On many modern Windows 11 laptops, device encryption turns on automatically the moment you sign in with a Microsoft account. There is no pop-up, no confirmation, no clear explanation. Your recovery key is uploaded to your Microsoft account online. And if you ever lose access to that account, your data is gone. You might think you'll never see the recovery screen, but BitLocker activates whenever Windows believes your system has changed or might be compromised. Common triggers include BIOS or UEFI updates and resets, TPM or secure boot changes, motherboard or CPU replacement, failed Windows updates, disk or boot corruption, and restoring system images or cloning drives. In some cases, even a normal firmware update is enough to lock you out. Here's something most people don't think about. If your Microsoft account is locked, hacked, disabled, or you simply forget the password, you also lose access to your BitLocker recovery key. No account access means no key. No key means no files. And Microsoft support cannot bypass BitLocker for you. If you're experimenting with Linux or setting up a dual boot system, be very careful. Changing bootloaders or disk partitions can trigger BitLocker recovery instantly. Always suspend or disable BitLocker before installing another operating system. Here's the harsh truth. If your SSD fails while BitLocker is enabled, data recovery companies can't help you. An encrypted drive without a recovery key means permanent data loss. There is no deep scan for encrypted data. Take 30 seconds and check this right now. Open Start and search for Device Encryption or BitLocker. If it says on, your drive is already encrypted. Then go to account.microsoft.com/devices/recovery key. If you see multiple keys, make sure the key ID matches the one shown on the recovery screen. Never store your recovery key in just one place. Keep a printed copy offline. Save a copy on a USB flash drive stored separately from your laptop. Store it in a password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password, and keep a phone photo as a last resort backup. Remember, if your PC is locked, you can't use it to look up the key. BitLocker is useful, but it's not for everyone. You may want to disable it if you don't have reliable backups, if you frequently update firmware or hardware, if you don't trust cloud-only key storage, or if this is a personal home PC with no sensitive data. Security only works when you stay in control. BitLocker isn't evil, but unmanaged security is dangerous. Take 10 minutes today to secure your recovery key, because when Windows has a bad day, it won't ask before locking you out. Stay informed, stay backed up, and don't let Microsoft hold your data hostage. Comment safe if you've already secured your recovery key. Subscribe for more Windows fixes. Microsoft never explains. Thanks for watching.